Guys, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up parental controls on your Android or Samsung phone. So do a swipe up and go to your settings, scroll down to where you'll find digital well-being and parental controls. Go ahead and tap on that. From here, scroll down to where you'll find parental controls. You can tap on that. Now this will go through a little setup. As you can see, it says set up parental control. You will choose age appropriate content rating, privacy settings, and screen time rules for this device. So guys, you can go ahead and set up this for your kids. You can just simply click that blue button that says let's do it, and this will connect to your Google account. You can just click supervise intro, and from here you'll be able to check the accounts if you do have it, and you can just follow through the steps and you can easily go ahead and set up. Now I have a bunch of other accounts there, so this is going to allow me to sign out and continue, but the steps are pretty easy and it's straightforward, so you can easily go ahead and do so. Now, for the purpose of me not having extra work to do, I am not going to sign out and continue because I don't want to sign out of my other accounts, but you get the idea. Just follow those steps and you will be able to go ahead and go through the steps to set up your parental control for the phones. But in a nutshell, that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.